Imagine spending $2 million not on a mansion, not on a private jet, but on something that moves with you wherever you go. What you're looking at right now isn't just a motorhome. This is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a rolling definition of luxury, power, and status. From the very first glance, it doesn't look like a traditional RV. It looks like something straight out of the future. The deep black exterior absorbs light, while subtle gold accents trace every line, every edge, making the entire vehicle feel more like a luxury sculpture than a machine. And right at the front, that iconic Rolls-Royce logo, not loud, not flashy, just confident. A silent statement that says, this isn't made for everyone. As this massive motorhome glides forward, you start to realize something. This isn't about speed, it's about presence. Every inch of this vehicle is designed to turn heads without asking for attention. Now step closer, because this is where things get unreal. The doors open, and the outside world instantly fades away. Inside, you're welcomed by an atmosphere that feels closer to a 5-star luxury suite than a vehicle. Black leather everywhere, soft, rich, and perfectly stitched. Gold ambient lighting flows gently along the walls and ceiling, creating a calm, premium glow. The Rolls-Royce logo appears again, subtly engraved into surfaces. Glowing softly, never overdone, always elegant. Nothing here is accidental. Every texture, every reflection, every material has a purpose. Look at the living area. This is where luxury truly reveals itself. Spacious seating wrapped in premium black leather. Deep cushions designed not just for comfort, but for long journeys where time feels irrelevant. You don't sit here, you sink in. Above you, a starlight ceiling. Tiny, perfectly placed lights recreate the night sky, turning the interior into a private galaxy on wheels. It's the kind of detail that reminds you this isn't mass-produced. This is handcrafted luxury. Move forward and you'll notice the open layout. Unlike normal motorhomes, nothing feels cramped. The space flows naturally, giving you room to breathe, relax, and exist without limits. Now let's talk about the kitchen, or better yet, the onboard luxury lounge. Black marble countertops, gold-trimmed fixtures, hidden storage that blends seamlessly into the walls. Everything opens with a soft touch, smooth and silent. This isn't a place to cook instant noodles. This is where private chefs could easily prepare gourmet meals while you cruise down the highway. And yes, the Rolls-Royce logo appears again, subtly embedded into the cabinetry. A quiet reminder of where you are. As you move deeper inside, the lighting shifts slightly, warmer, more intimate. This is the private zone. The bedroom feels like a luxury hotel suite floating through space. A full-size bed with premium black upholstery, soft textures, minimalist design, no clutter, just calm. Above the headboard, the Rolls-Royce emblem sits elegantly, softly illuminated, not to show off, but to reassure you that every night you sleep here, you're sleeping inside perfection. And then there's the bathroom. This isn't an RV bathroom. This is a spa. Black marble surfaces, gold accents, a rainfall shower, mirrors that light up smoothly as you approach. Even here, the attention to detail is unreal. Everything feels solid, expensive, timeless. Now let's talk about the driver's cockpit, because this is where power meets elegance. The moment you sit down, you feel it. The seat hugs you perfectly. The steering wheel, wrapped in black leather, carries the glowing Rolls-Royce logo at its center. Digital displays stretch across the dashboard, giving you full control without overwhelming you. Navigation vehicle systems, camera feeds. Everything is smooth, responsive, and silent. Driving this doesn't feel like driving a motorhome. It feels like commanding a luxury vessel. And the ride, absolutely effortless. Advanced suspension systems make the road disappear beneath you. No bumps, no vibrations, just smooth, floating motion, exactly what you'd expect from Rolls-Royce engineering. Now step outside for a moment and look at the wheels. Massive black tires, gold-finished rims, each one proudly stamped with the Rolls-Royce logo. These wheels aren't just built for looks. They're built to carry the weight of luxury, literally. As night falls, this motorhome transforms completely. The exterior lighting activates softly. The black paint reflects city lights like liquid metal. The Rolls-Royce emblem glows calmly, almost like it's breathing. Parked on a street in a desert or beside a mountain, it doesn't matter. This motorhome doesn't adapt to the environment. The environment adapts to it. Inside, the atmosphere becomes even more magical. The ambient lighting deepens. The starlight ceiling shines brighter. The silence feels expensive. You realize something important at this moment. This isn't about travel. This is about freedom without sacrifice. You don't give up comfort. You don't downgrade luxury. You don't compromise style. You take everything with you. Office space? It's here. A luxury desk, leather chair, gold accents, perfect for business on the move. Entertainment? A private cinema setup with premium sound, hidden screens, and blackout lighting. Relaxation, unlimited. This is what $2 million buys you. Not just materials, not just technology, but a feeling. A feeling of control, of privacy, of being completely untouchable. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome isn't built for crowds. It's built for individuals who want the world to move at their pace. So the real question isn't, is it worth $2 million? The real question is, if you could afford it, would you ever want to travel any other way?